Today I'm going to taste test my stout that I made a while back, a simple home stout I called it. Would have been about 4 months ago now, so it's smelling pretty good. And also the Draught I made through Cooper's, and I added a bit of hops in it. So stick around, we'll do a bit of a taste test and I'll give you an update on what I'm doing. I just spilled it. I spilled it for me. I hope you've been having a great day. I've been very busy. I haven't had time to do any brewing or anything like that, but I did do 2 brews, as you can see. First one was my simple home stout, which is about 4 months old now. Looking pretty good. Very, very dark and not so cloudy. It might be a bit cloudy. I can't really tell. You can't even get light through that. As you know from the brew I made, I probably should have made a bigger batch because it was way too much grain. So next time I won't do so much grain. But on that, I'll tell you what it's about. It smells like stout. It poured like stout, as you could see in the video. It also tastes like, well, it smells nice. There's no nothing bad about this at all, luckily. I've been tasting. Wow, that's very strong. It is very strong. It's about 7.5% alcohol volume, which definitely puts you to sleep when you drink it. It does have a very distinct taste. It's not the stout I'm used to tasting. It's still less than sweet. I thought it'd be more sweet than this, but it's not. It has it came up at about 10.19, 10.18 or something like that when it ended, and it really hadn't changed it. Over time though, it has changed the flavouring, and when I first tasted it, which is quite nice actually, when I first tasted it, it had like a bitter, burnt taste to it. That's starting to disappear now, which I think if I leave it a bit longer, maybe 6 months, 2 to 6 month time point, I reckon it'd be spot on. But yeah, quite a nice beer. So I'm glad I made that, and I think it's going to be all right in the future. So I'll give that a bit of a go later on. This is my Cooper's Draught that I did. I added a Brew Enhancer 2 from Cooper's, as well as some hops. Amarillo, I believe? No, it wasn't. It was, I couldn't even pronounce the name, could I? Anyway, funny enough, it has that beautiful hoppy smell. It does have a fruity taste. Oh, after drinking that, wow, what a difference. It's very, very nice and mild. It's nice and bitter. Sweetish. Does taste like a draft. It's really quite nice. I'd recommend doing that for sure. Someone recommended me to dry hop it, or even put hops in it. Steep my hops, pour it in for 4th or 5th day of fermenting. I really don't think I had to do that. The smell's still there. Oh, it's that's what it is. Citra is what I put in it. It just brings out a nice fruity flavour. I don't mind it. I'm going to play with Citra a bit more, add it to some of the other brews I did. Citra seems to be a nice fruity flavour and smell, and definitely taste it, or smell it, sorry. And it's really, really, it's not dominant, it's very nice. It's just nicely in the background there. So it's enhanced my Cooper's, and it's looking quite nice. The actual beer is looking quite nice. It's very clear. Cleared up in the keg really well. I bottled this to go out with friends and that, and it tastes really good after bottling. And I've noticed if you bottle from a keg to the flavour you like, it stays that way when you keep it in a bottle. I'm really wrapped with that. So I've made a flavour now on this that I really like, so I might have to bottle most of that so I can preserve that flavour. So yeah, it's been really good. It's a really good 2 brews that I made. Happy with them both. I've also just recently kegged some of my spirits. So I've actually gotten some flavouring, Coca-Cola flavouring, added water and added about 4 litres of spirits into a 19 litre keg. Carbonating it at the moment. I'm going to see what that tastes like. I know it's a bit weird, but it's something, it's whiskey on tap. So, and I don't normally have Coca-Cola, but on a hot day, it's really, really refreshing. So I've done that. I'll show you that in my next video. What's coming up is I had done a excuse me. What's coming up is I had done a second part of wine. The problem I had was I accidentally copied over some video, so I'm missing some video on that. It's not bad, but I'm missing some video, so I'm waiting to bottle that wine so I can add that to it, so it actually has about 10 minutes worth of video watching time, so it's worth watching then. So yeah, so stick around, guys. I'm not going to come back for another week or two, but I will be back in big time. I haven't done any brewing for at least a month now, and I'm going to do some more brewing, a lot more brewing. I've got empty kegs everywhere and empty bottles. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get that, and hit that little bell so you can get the updates when I put a video up. More coming soon. I'm off to Sydney, so that will take a bit of time, and yeah, we'll see you soon. So ciao.